Good morning, sir. Today I welcome you to my AWD demo of laravel. As you can see here, before popping up to my dashboard, you can see here login as well as register. So you have to log in as well as register to access the dashboard. So there are two types of login that I have made. First one is admin and second one is super admin. So this one is of super admin. So if I have login to my dashboard, this is my dashboard. This is of super admin dashboard in which I have registered student as well as student list. Only super admin has access to my registered students. If I log out and access to my nishan@gmail.com, so here for login, then here edit. The admin cannot add the student as well as see the list of the students. So I have made two types of dashboard. So I will use the super admin dashboard for now. If I log in, this is my dashboard of the student library management system. So here, as you can see, it shows the number of books. Here are 7, as well as if I add my books, Game of Thrones, Martin, ISBN number. Every ISBN number has to be unique. So I'll give 1 2 3 4. You can add anything as you like. Then the addition. Okay, then submit. Then it will here, as you can see, the book added successfully. I have created the toaster pop-up for it. So as you can see, the Game of Thrones, J.R. Martin, 1 2 3 4 ISBN number, everything is up to date. So if I have to update it, then you can just throw and 1 2 3 4 2 1 2 3 4 5, then submit. Then it will automatically Game of Thrones 1 2 3 4 5. Then if I want to delete it, then as you can see, it will automatically delete it. As you can see from here, it will automatically delete the datas of the books that I have stored. Then let me go to the issue book. Before issuing book, because we have to issue to someone, then it will automatically referring to the students. Then first we have to register students, then only it can issue book. So first of all, let's go to the registration form. So registration students, then we have to give any one ID. So as you can see here, student list, I have given 1 10 20 30 40. This has to be very unique because every student has very unique ID. So I will give 15 male, student name, class, his date of birth. So you have to put every details, 1996, address, Bhaktapur, phone number. As you can see, we have you can put any numbers as you like. Year is 5th year. So here you submit, then it will automatically add the student. As you can see, there was only 5 students before, but now is 6 because and everything. Now we can issue our book to student ID because his student ID is 15 and student name is because. So as you can see here, ISBN, the book we issue will be directly connected to the ISBN number because we will be dealing with ISBN number. As you can see, issue book. If you click on issue book, first of all, let's see because student ID 15. As well as issue book, we have to type 15. Book ISBN number, what we just made before, 1 2 3 4 5. Name because we will be issuing a book to him, and the book is 1 2 3 4 5, which is 1 2 3 5. We just created a book of J.R. Martin. So will be a issuing date 1 or 2. So he will return 6. Description, you can give any description as you like. Is the best book to read. then you can submit. Look, after the ISBN number didn't match, because as you can see ISBN number for the okay, we just deleted the recently added book, so we can add in any of the books like the Alchemist. ISBN number is 65, so we'll be adding to 65 book 2 because 15. So let's add the book. Student ID is 15, ISBN number is 65, student name is Vikas. So first of all we'll just select the issue date and return date. This description is pictel. Submit. Then look, book issued successfully. So now because has issued the book to this book has been, the Alchemist is has been issued to because, as you can see here, I have created type of data showing in which we can directly see in the database, which after clicking the in which we have proceed like the book we have just issued right now has been directly assigned to Vikas or not, as you can see in the database as well. So let me go to the student list. Here are the total number of students. Here are the total number of issued books in which we have to whom we have issued, as well we can give his descriptions. So let me go to the return book. So we have to return book. Okay, now if one of the students just return the book, then it will automatically pop up to the return list book, because only there is one student who has returned the book. So let me return the one of the student book. As you can see in the student list, we have just list of the issue, and because 15, student ID 15, because ISBN number 65, return book, student ID 15, and book ISBN number is 65, student name is because. So return date, he returns the 12. Then as you can see, the student return book successfully. Now there are two students who have returned the book. So you can see the find student in the issuing book, if the issue date as well as return date, if the student did not return the book before the return date, then it will automatically the fine, the amount of fine will automatically assign to you over here. So these are my dashboard as well as all of the systems that I have made using laravel. As well as you can log out of the systems, as well as you can go to the admin section, which I have just made as a nishan. So over here, as you can see, it will not differ than the super admin. It will only allow the admin not to see the student data, as well as he can add any of the functions to the student. As you can see in the sidebar, there are no student data. So these are my student library management system that I have created. So let me again open it. So these are all my things that I have created, as well as the database system like issue book. Here are all the records of the issue book, as well as library management system, the books that I have added, the students, total number of students that I have added, and the migrations file as well that I have created in the PHP storm, that I have created in the PHP storm, that all the migration files are over here. As well, the return books that those two students that I've made are over here, as you can see. So user details, okay, there is one is admin and another is super admin. So all the files are over here. The role, as you can see in the role, super admin and admin. So this is my library management system. uh, thank you so much for watching.